Hello guys, so in this video here I'll just be looking through actually some notes that I have made or some lines of code that I have written for the day. This is simple assembly language code which starts with a .text .global underscore start. You start a program. We have here move the value 27 into the register R0. So register 0 and move the value 1 into register 7. Alright. Now you end the program and return to the terminal. You use SWI, software interrupt, and that's a program. Now, here you can see I have the program name is asm.s. Here I kind of compile the program using as minus o asm.o, creating the object file from the source file, and you can see the asm.o is created. Then I did a link, right? So ld dash o asm.o, so you get a executable. Now I run the executable and I echo here $, you get 27. Why 27? Well, you can see here in the program that we actually load the value 27 into register 0, and that is what you're reading there, right? And then we end the program. Now I went a little further here to see more into the object file. So you use file and the name of the file .o. See, it's a ELF 32-bit, right? ARM. So you go into it further, it gives you pretty much the memory locations here, right? So you see we have 0, 4, and 8, and what is stored. Well, I was looking at object dump here. So these are all the different options you have for object dump. So I tried to run some of those here, like object dump dash a, and what is dash a, right? Archive headers, display archive header information, dash f, right? File headers, display the contents of the overall file header. This one didn't work. I was trying Little Indian here. It didn't work. It was not any help actually. Then dash capital D. Disassemble all. Display assembler contents of all sections. So this would have been a little more detail, right? This is the ARM attributes. I don't know much about this. I am just exploring all of this right now. Dash X. What we have for dash X? Object dump dash X. So let's see here. Display the contents of all headers. So We got that. And I think I ended there. So this here is just me exploring assembly language and now trying to, you know, understand stuff further with respect to the ARM processor. So you can see here the architecture is the ARM v4, right? And this is like, I'm on a Raspberry Pi. I think this is version 2. So I will end this video here and look out for more contents from me. Please subscribe to my channel, Spectrum 1844. Bye.